If you're unable to activate your Chime card, this is the primary fix. Check the Chime application. Just log in inside the Chime app using your Apple App Store or Google Play Store. And once you're inside the home screen, you can look for the Activate New Card or card status. Tap the button and follow the prompts to enter your card's 3-digit CVV number, and then activate it by phone. If the app method fails, you cannot access the application. Call Chime Automated Activation Line. Follow the voice prompts to verify your identity and then activate the card. Lastly is using these troubleshooting tips. You can restart your app or the device. Close and reopen the Chime app or restart your smartphone. This can clearly temporarily clear the software glitches and ensure that your application is updated. Make sure that you are using the most latest version of Chime. And that's how you can fix a Chime card that can't be enabled. And thank you for listening.